everyone, welcome to the Inside Universe. Well, I know about the outside universe, which includes the sun, the moon, the stars, the galaxies, and if I Google, I may end up seeing the incredible forms of universe which are beyond humans' discovery, which are beyond humans' perception. Well, what this inside universe is about? We all know what is the outside universe, but what is this inside universe is about? If that is your question, keep watching. So before I go ahead and explain you what inside universe is about, I have a question for you. Imagine someone asked you to stay in a place which is dirty, cluttered with all unnecessary things, rats moving all around. You find mud, you find stale food, you find bad smell there. You don't want yourself to be in such a place, but someone asked you to be there. How long can you stay there? Tell me. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, if somebody offered you maybe some money in return, you may end up staying there for a few hours, but staying there forever is next to impossible because you cannot stay in a place which is so uncomfortable for you. Physical hygiene is very important. Wait, did I just say physical hygiene? Oh yes, I did say that. Okay, we we all are very concerned about physical hygiene and we often take care of it. We often want to visit a restaurant, which is good. We often want to visit a theater, which is good. We often want to sleep in a nice comfy bed with a nice fresh blanket. We want to wear fresh clothes. Hygiene everywhere. Well, I just want to flip the coin and ask you the question: how mentally hygiene you are? Yes. Do you ever care about your mental hygiene as much as you do with your physical hygiene? How many incomplete emotions you are experiencing right at this moment? How many incomplete emotions you are still clinging on to? How many unnecessary thoughts are cluttered within your mind? Yes, something happened few years ago, but if someone comes and triggers me, I relive all those moments. Why that is happening? Why I am not coming out of my emotions? Why I am not able to keep my mind clean as much as I keep my home clean. But in reality, my body stays in my home, but I stay within my mind. And I am into a notion that it is fine to overthink. It is fine. It is normal to be stressful. It is normal to hold on to your emotions. Oh dear, I want to tell you, it's not normal. It is just common. It's not normal. Your own mind, which is responsible to give you happiness, to give you peace of mind, to give you everything that you want in this world, is turning against you and asking you to take the pills of depression, is asking you to cry all night, is asking you to be stressful. Is that a right place to live within you? Well, the God has made the incredible universe which gives us everything we want, and we made our inside universe. We are a tiny God for our inside universe. It is we who made that. And have we ever gave a thought of how beautiful we can mold that universe to be, because it is the only place that we are staying in. In fact, you can live in a home where there is no AC, where there is no proper bed, but you cannot stay in a mind which is occupied with unnecessary, cluttered, incomplete, negative emotions. You cannot live in such a mind. That is why people end up doing suicides. That is why people are suffering mental illnesses like no other generation. That is why every disease is becoming a psychosomatic form. Well, coming to the point, this channel is is about reminding you how things are going on and helping you by providing few tools with which you can fix your inside universe and become the best creator of the universe. If you want to follow the content that I will be posting in this channel from now on and help yourself in a way you can help others too, please subscribe to this channel. You are going to get amazing content out of it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.